How to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. Here's how to check if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. First of all, launch open the Snapchat app and make sure to log into your account. Then tap on the search bar at the top. Now here you want to try searching for their username or full name. If they don't appear, they may have blocked you. Next, you want to check the group chat. For that, head over to the inbox section. Here, if you're both in the same group chat, tap on the group chat name. Now we want to tap on the group chat name at the top. Here you want to see if their name is still listed. If you cannot find them or add them back as your friend, you've likely been blocked. Next, you want to ask a mutual friend who is connected to search for the person's username. If they can find them but you cannot, it's a sign you've been blocked. And that's how you can tell if someone blocked you on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.